Welcome Clickfunnels review. Are you trying to sell stuff online? I'm sure you'll agree, turning clicks into conversions is a tricky business. Getting people to your website is one thing, but securing sales? That's even harder. But there's a secret that is a complete game changer. Sales funnels. By creating an attractive sales funnel, you can dramatically increase your sales and provide value to your customers. Today, we're going to introduce you to Clickfunnels. It's a funnel building software that allows you to manage every step of the sales process from concept through to completion. You don't need technical know-how to create a funnel, and it will really change the way you approach marketing. There's no need to hire a developer, designer and sales team to manage your marketing, which saves you some dollar. We'll talk about that later, too. If after reading this review, you want to try it for yourself, then follow the link below. Clickfunnels has a free 14-day trial, so you can see if the hype is real. If not, you can leave without paying a penny. Click the link below this video for more updates. Here's what we'll be covering in this Clickfunnels review. Contents. What is Clickfunnels? Our experience using Clickfunnels. The benefits of Clickfunnels. How you can make Clickfunnels work for you. Clickfunnels versus the competition. Conclusion. What is Clickfunnels? Clickfunnels was founded by Russell Brunson, who to this date has made over $100 million a year promoting this software. At its core, Clickfunnels is a funnel building software that enables you to create high-converting landing pages using a simple drag-and-drop editor. You'll be armed with autoresponders, email marketing and a shopping cart to manage the entire process in one place. Basically, you have everything you need to market your business without needing to pay out for a team of developers. Plus, what's really exciting about this software are the resources that come along with it. You are not simply handed Clickfunnels and expected to start making money from funnel marketing. That would be a little daunting, to say the least. Clickfunnels has many tutorials and guides that simplify the process and show you how to use the software effectively. People are using Clickfunnels to make millions, right now. If you head over to the 2 Club, you can see that almost 300 entrepreneurs have used Clickfunnels to create $1 million funnels. Now, that's incredible. Our experience using Clickfunnels. We are professional digital marketers. Our industry experience dates back to the inception of the internet, which means we have seen it all. Every last algorithm update, the services, resources and tools to rank websites and make money. You best believe we've been there, seen them all, and got the t-shirt. There are, literally, millions of tools designed with the promise of making you millions. We guarantee you position 1 rankings or your money back. How many times have you heard that old chestnut? Clickfunnels is not just another marketing tool. It's unique. The sheer number of Clickfunnels success stories is enough to get you excited. Couple that with the ability to manage all your marketing in one place and you have a platform that blows the competition out of the water. Clickfunnels review on Facebook. Clickfunnels Facebook review. At Bigfoot Digital, we were introduced to Clickfunnels back in 2015. It didn't have the same following as it does today, and rival, Lead Pages, was the market leader. Lead Pages was super popular, however, you couldn't integrate payments using it, without some pretty complicated hacks, which was a real problem. Clickfunnels therefore won the Clickfunnels versus Lead Pages debate in our eyes. With that in mind, our focus remained on ranking in the SERPs. As a top-ranking SEO agency, prospects have no problem finding us at the top of the search results. We dominate Google for many competitive terms. Want to know more about Clickfunnels? So click the link below. But, without a funnel, our reach was limited. The Clickfunnels 30-day challenge found us by way of a targeted marketing campaign. We took a deep dive into the training on offer. 4 months down the line, and we're hooked. We started to brainstorm all the complementary services we could offer to generate interest before hitting prospects with a sale. We ended up creating multiple funnels, all with great success, bringing in genuine leads and inquiries. Clickfunnels is now our secondary revenue stream, alongside SEO. But, less about us. Let's dive deeper into Clickfunnels itself. Thanks for watching this video.